Hanong ba Shillong kala shongshin ha ka janmit sining kong ka khandai tarik Maria yo jingtem ba unong ruai ba pauna mula poi Hanong ba Shillong uni unong ruai ringkat ka kenhun kilawan da ka len sun hadu umroi airport bat nang tei pan bebet shajaka sa ka jingwan jong Bryan Adams ban ruai ha JN Stadium ha ka shpotarik kala pensyong shitlut tang ki pai pa ka jala henry kala pengende lang ru wat ki pai pa na ki jala pa marjan.
It's a great moment, and I think I'm not the only person who's excited about the concert. I'm sure there are thousands of fans, and almost I think everybody in this room has grown up listening to Bryan Adams. So we are super excited and really looking forward, and I'm sure that it's going to be a night to remember and a very, very memorable one. And we're looking forward to a great performance, and as I said, a very, very memorable night.
You used to play this.